Blend is our coffee shop. We've got our roastery, Stewarts of Trent Bridge, next door, where we roast the green beans. We opened Blend in February 2017, and it has become a bit of a sort of community spot where people mix. That's one of the reasons we called it Blend. We wanted it to be a community coffee shop for people to come and relax and have coffee and sandwiches. There's a lot of students that live around here. There's people who come and use the laptops here, use our Wi-Fi. People obviously now use their phones for anything really, even if they're not working, and they use the internet. As a business owner, it's predominantly we want to have good Wi-Fi, reliable Wi-Fi for our till system, for payments. We want payments to go through reliably, quickly. We've got our office all upstairs on the mezzanine in the roaster, so we use it for connecting to the printers, the various printers to print our labels for the bags, print invoices, so we need a reliable broadband. And before we moved over to Mason Infotech, we used to find that when we had a coffee shop full of 40, 50 people using their phones, maybe using their laptops at the same time, the internet connection could drop. So we wanted to make sure that we've got something set up that is speedy and reliable. The switchover was very easy. Once we were all set up, the engineers came in for a day and set it all up. And we've been with Mason Infotech for 2 months now. We've found that the broadband is working without glitches. It's speedy, it's reliable. We don't have any more dropouts. For our customers, we want to make it a perfect experience from the moment when they walk in and they're greeted by our baristas. They have a fantastic coffee, and the broadband experience is part of this package. They can come in and have their meetings and not have any problems or issues with the broadband.